In this video, you will learn how to embroider using the backstitch. You can use backstitch on the stem with the white floss in your kit. You can also use backstitch on the petals using the pink floss in your kit. And you can choose to use backstitch on the tulips using the blue floss in your kit. I am demonstrating embroidering a line of stitches from left to right. To begin the backstitch, bring your needle from the back of the fabric to the front, one stitch length away from where you want the line of embroidery to begin. Now move backwards, one stitch length, and insert your needle from the front to the back of the fabric. Moving forward again, leave a stitch length space and insert your needle upwards towards the front of the fabric. Now repeat, moving backwards, and share the hole that was used in the previous stitch. Bring your thread down and through the fabric. Repeat these steps, leaving a stitch length of space, and then moving backwards, sharing the hole of the previous stitch. Continue forward and backwards in this way to create a line of stitches. The backstitch is great to use as a continuous outline stitch for areas in your embroidery that require it, such as stems and text.